Hello my beautiful viewers on my channel James Higgins at Open World. Well, here it is, it's vegan. Bird's eye green cuisine powered by plants. Chicken fried, southern fried strips. Vegan. There you go. So, I'll be having some of them with some chips and beans. So, I'm going to do a review of them now. So I'll be back in a minute with them. See you in a minute. Welcome back. Right, here they are. There we go. That's what they look like. I've got the curry sauce there, but these haven't touched them, so these are vegans. So let's give them a taste test. They actually do look like chicken, don't they? You can see. But, it's not, obviously. It's vegan. Got a bit of curry on it. So I did try them without curry. If anyone comments in the comments, did try them without curry. Oh. Well, one second. Well, there they are. They do look like chicken. You really do. You know. But marks out of 10. Well, you know my mark system. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10 we're going starting off the charts. Right. For a second. Well, Max, would I buy them again? No. Will I eat the rest of them? Yes. Marks out of 10. 4 out of 10. That's what they are. The Bird's Eye Green Cuisine powered by plants. Chicken free southern fried chicken strips. 4 out of 10. That's what they are. Anyway, I'll see you on the next one.